seeing those clear conditions here in Bakersfield. Our mountain communities getting hit with a little bit of moisture overnight. But we are looking at those warmer temperatures, 6 degrees warmer here in Bakersfield than it was at this time yesterday. 5 degrees warmer in Lebec, 7 degrees warmer in Tehachapi, 11 up in Lake Isabella, 14 out in Mojave. But we are tracking another system that's going to be making its way into the county later on this afternoon. And that is when we could also see the threat of thunderstorms, some areas being hit with heavy rain. Looks like those showers will continue through the evening hours before clearing up. But then jumping ahead to tomorrow morning, that's when we could see that widespread rain starting by your mid-morning, and then later on in the afternoon we're tracking thunderstorm chances as well, and higher elevation getting hit with some more snow. Looks like those scattered showers and thunderstorm threats will continue through those evening hours before clearing up. Some of our mountain communities could see some scattered showers in those overnight hours, but it's looking like Memorial Day is going to be dry. It's going to be beautiful, clearing clouds. Beautiful conditions there. But with these systems that are going to be moving through, it looks like we could see a significant amount of moisture with these systems, potentially 17/100ths of an inch in Lake Isabella, close to 66/100ths of an inch in Tehachapi, over an inch of rain in Frazier Park, and potentially close to 85/100ths of an inch in Bakersfield. Now, these models are typically optimistic with those rain totals, but these systems that we've been getting and experiencing have had a lot of moisture, and even here in Bakersfield, we've been getting hit with that moisture. So we'll have to be monitoring that a little bit closer to see just how much rain we get with these next systems. But 81 as that high today, and then we're going to see that significant temperature dip tomorrow back down to those 60s, and then those 70s return on Monday as we clear out, and we'll see that warming trend through the rest of the week with a chance of rain on Thursday. In the Kern River Valley, a high of 73, and then we see those low 60s return tomorrow. Frazier Park and Tehachapi following that trend. We'll see those mid-60s today, and then those low 50s return tomorrow, and we'll see that warming trend start. We'll have one final look at your weather when 23 ABC News returns.